Good morning, everybody. So just wake up. We already changed. We are leaving the hotel and we are going to a lake. Today we are not going to hike that much, but I still need those shoes and we still need to have breakfast. So let's see what's the next step and I will catch you there. Breakfast done. Next stop, shoe shop. It's right there. These shoes were meant to be mine. Adidas Neo, which is my pet. And they look like this. Wait, I can open this door. And this is how they look. This car is having some trouble to cross this little river. This is the mountain that we are going up, and then we came all the way down there. This is our car, and I'm right here with my new shoes that are actually very comfy and feels great. It's the GoPro. Where the lake is, but we are going to a big lake. We already passed that little concentration of water that it's for electricity, and now we are going to the top. Oh my god, we are so high right now, and I'm here in the car. It's not really full right now, it's actually quite empty, but it is still very big and very awesome. And also, one of these mountains, it's the Lost Mountain, which I'm going to hike for probably 2 days or something like that. And here we have a weather station, I don't know if you call it like this, and this big stick is for knowing the level of the snow. And now we're going farther. I don't really know where we're going. We're just going like a little hike around here, and it's so far so beautiful. Let's keep moving. Okay, and now switch to the camera. Whoop. So this mountain is the difference between France and Spain. So it's the end of Spain actually. Wow, this is very deep. This is Dad, Mom. I don't really know if you can see it very good, but there is a line here which is a little deep, and this is from a rock. Not from a rock, it's from a ice rock. When it, like so many years ago, this was all ice, and all the rocks have those holes from the rocks that fall and keep scratching the rocks. So it's full of places where and rocks where you can see lines. And see this is a hole here. I don't know if you can notice, but this is from ice. If you think this is beautiful, wait until you see it with the right dates. And I can't wait to get in that water, but we have a problem, and it's that it's freezing cold. It's impossible to get in. Maybe the feet, but that's nothing. I hope we can find a river or a lake that I can go in today. Okay, see what's going on now. Back to the road, back to the town, maybe back to the river. So, I'll catch you in our destination. Stop in this town to eat some ice cream or some ice soda, cold soda, whatever. So, catch you when we have some food or we have some cool place to show. Back to the hotel. So tired. Let's go. Harley Davidson. I want one. And we have a super truck here. Ooh. Oh, no, Great Britain. They are from Great Britain. Let's go back to the auto. I need a shower. Hey, back here, same place as yesterday, just had the shower. And now it's time to give this tummy some food with these awesome views. So let's eat some, let's edit, and see you tomorrow. Bye. Wait, you wanna see what I'm eating? Because it's very good. Okay guys, so dinner done. This is it for today. I hope you liked, I hope you enjoyed, and I see you in the next one. Peace out.
I'll show you.